Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm here to help you to make objects float. Stay with me here. This isn't a magic trick but something fun to learn. You might have seen pictures like this all over the net. Ever wondered how this was done? Well, I'm here to help you, so let's get started. So you'll be needing a DSLR, a good backdrop, an object to shoot, a tripod and good lighting. So it's time to shoot. Now to make the object look like it's levitating, there must be nothing holding it. And to stimulate that, we need two pictures. One where I'm holding the phone at the bottom and the other where I'm holding the phone on top. Since I have only one DSLR, I can't really show you how I took the pictures, but it's just standard point and shoot. And be sure to align it as much as possible so that while editing in post, you don't really have to work much. So these are the two pictures I finalized with, even though I shot a lot more pictures just in case. Now we will be editing this in Photoshop. So import the picture and place it on top of each other. And reduce the opacity of the picture on top to 35%. So you get a clear picture of whether or not the image below is aligned with the image on top. Now start aligning with your move tool. It takes some time to get there, but you'll eventually do it. Once you're satisfied with the result, place the image. Now it's time to see the magic happen. Choose the brush tool and then later the mask tool towards the bottom and change the white color to black. This will erase out the parts you don't want. And start by erasing the hand and then its surroundings too. This can be done to your liking and make sure it's done thoroughly, so it looks real and well made. So that's it. You just made an object levitate. With a bit more editing like color grading, you can get a final result like this. So with that said, if you like the video, get subscribed for more such content. See you soon. This is Half-Life.